Here is a quick video showing you how to sync data between HubSpot and NetSuite using Polytomic. Now, we're connected to Polytomic's demo instance here, and we are connected to HubSpot with a healthy connection over here, and we're connected to NetSuite with a healthy connection here. Now, to get going with the sync, the first thing to set up are what we call data models. Now, all a data model is a list of fields from your sources. And so we will surface a catalog of fields from all our sources here in this blank canvas, and then sync from fields on the data models to wherever we want. Let's begin with the case of syncing HubSpot to NetSuite. I can click Add Model here, pick the source system I'd like to pick fields from. So let's pick HubSpot here, and let's call this data model Contacts. Now we can browse the objects on our source. In this case, let's go to Contacts. And what we'll do is we'll load all the fields from the HubSpot Contacts object. Now let's surface a few fields from here. So we'll pick, for example, email, and we'll also pick first name, and we'll also pick last name as well. And that should be it for this demo. We'll hit save. Now, if you just consider this data model, let's now go into model syncs, and we'll hit create sync. We'll pick our destination system to be NetSuite, and we can pick any set of target objects. We'll pick customers, say, or even contacts for the sake of this demo. Now, you get three sync modes to choose from. Either we update or create records in NetSuite, or we only create new records in NetSuite, leave existing ones alone, or we only update existing records in NetSuite but don't create new ones. In this case, I'll do both. Now, the first thing to set with any sync is what we call an identity mapping. So on the left-hand side, it's whatever data models you've set up. In this case, we've set up one data model from HubSpot and all their fields. On the right-hand side, it's the NetSuite target object fields, in this case, NetSuite contacts. Now, the identity mapping really is just a unique field on both sides, a unique key, if you will, bridging the two systems. Now, for the sake of this demo, we'll pick email address. So we'll map email from HubSpot to email in NetSuite. And after that, it's really just a simple case of picking field mapping. So we'll grab first name from HubSpot, maps to first name in NetSuite. We'll grab last name from HubSpot as well, maps to last name in NetSuite. And I think you get the point, but really it's just a field mapping exercise picking from the data models. Now, you can even set some point and click filters for your sync. And so, for example, maybe we only want to sync records where, say, email does not end with, say, gmail.com. For example, you can pick any set of data filters from text, or data filters for numbers, or data filters for dates. Will show you the right set automatically based on your field. Otherwise, I won't set any here. We can hit preview, where we'll show you some sample records to be included in your sync. If your sample looks okay, dismiss. Hit continue, and then you can pick your sync schedule. Now, this could be manual, or someone has to click a button every time, or continuous, which is a near real-time sync that moves updates, or hourly, daily, or weekly updates, or any of the other structured options. We'll have this running, say, on an hourly basis, at say 30 minutes on the hour. Hit continue, verify a summary of your settings. If all looks okay, click save in the top right. And here we've created a sync from HubSpot to NetSuite. Now you can run a test sync that would sync 5 random records, or simply just enable your sync, and that's really it. At this point, you get to walk away, and instead of waiting for the next run to kick in, we'll just kick it off now. And now we have a sync running. You have your sync history tab here on the left, containing all your currently running syncs, as well as ones that have finished in the past. And then under error handling, you can toss in any email address or a Slack channel in the subscriber list, and will automatically notify should anything fail.